Arrive in style with this 2007 Saturn Aura XE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are AC, 4-wheel disc brakes, pass-through rear seat, driver adjustable lumbar, telematics, front-wheel drive, front head airbag, passenger illuminated visor mirror, and adjustable steering wheel. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.